Today we're back with the Avata 2 and I'm going to test ND filters. I've never used these before, but living in Australia, it's super sunny here 99% of the time, so we probably need to wear some sunglasses for the drone. So I've just got some ones off Amazon. They are made by Newer. I've just had a fly around without the ND filter on, just in my standard settings. I've gone up and down the road nice and close. I've gone high so you can see the ocean, and I've gone through the trees a little bit, and then I've circled the car. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing, but with the ND filter on. I'll obviously need to lock in some of the camera settings so it stops automatically doing stuff. You can tell by my technical jargon that I really don't know what I'm talking about, but let's have a look. It wouldn't let me change these while I'm recording, so I stopped the recording and now I've changed them to manual. I've got the ISO set at automatic, but with a max at 200. You'll see that in a second. Shutter speed's 1/120, so double the frame rate. EV left the same. White balance, I've locked it in at 5,400. And then I'm shooting in 16:9 for YouTube. There's the 4K 60. Auto ISO limit set at 200, and we have rock steady on. Color profile's normal. So let's stick the sunglasses on and see how it looks. As you can see, it's overexposed at the moment. So I'm thinking, because it's so bright, either the 32 or the 64. Let's try 32. A little bit of guesswork, but I think we should be able to see instantly when we put this on. Okay, my fingers all over it. Okay, let's try that. I'm wondering whether that's a little bit too dark. Yeah, let's fly with that, and then we'll do one at the 16 as well. Okay, so we're manual, we're at 39 degrees. Let's have a fly and see. So nice and close to the road. Up. Go have a look at the sea. Yeah, I don't know, potentially is that too dark? Maybe. Okay, let's stick a new battery on. Yeah, so I reckon that's a little bit too dark, especially at the moment, because it's still early in the morning. Sun's super bright when I'm on it, so in certain positions I'm sure that would be okay. But especially through the trees and through the bushes and things, it seems a little bit too dark. So this is a 32, let's try the 16. Okay, this is the 16. Let's have a good little fly, and then I might try the, is it an 8 as well? Does it go in doubles like that? Yeah, because it still seems quite dark with that on. But I won't know until I actually look at the 4K footage. I know, I think this looks pretty good. little bit of break up through there. Yeah, no, I reckon this is about right. Yeah, this is the sweet spot, I reckon. So this is the ND32. I've been flying an analog drone, so this picture quality looks insane. So it'll be interesting to see how it all looks when I edit the footage. But let me know what you think down in the comments. Do you use ND filters? The other cool thing is that it protects the lens. But that was 2 full batteries today, and I didn't crash. That's unusual.